Today we're talking about training your toes and your feet. Now we've talked about conditioning this before, but today we're going to detail what it's like to finally be in your tap shoes, or if you have the jazz sneakers or hip hop shoes that allow you to be up on your toes, or if you're doing point work. Now you're going to have to detail the last little bit of your foot that has kind of been neglected in a lot of regards. Later on in the week, we're going to talk about demi-pointe, which strengthens you in many ways. But when you're finally up in your pointe shoes or doing toe stands, you need to be able to really isolate what's happening in the ball and toe portion of your foot. You need to work on arch engagement and doing those arch lifts that we've talked about previously and lengthening those toes. As I've said before, if you are doing toe stands or point work, you're much more inclined to have fractures and tears happen if you are not engaging properly. I myself have hammer toes, and that's because some early on training was due to the fact that when I was first learning pointe, you used to just turn 11 and get your pointe shoes, yay. The problem with that though is not everybody is ready, and the training then never was about lengthening your toes. It was about the appearance of what you did in those shoes. We never broke down what you were doing internally. And I never want to see another dancer go through that. It has taken me a long time to really stretch out my toes. I had to go back to the start and basically retrain my feet when I was training early on. And so I don't want to see other dancers go through steps that they don't have to. I will see you tomorrow when we talk about our ankles. I will see you then.